If your energy forecasts feel like guessing games, you're not alone. AI's got your back. First up, we gather historical renewable energy data and meteorological data. This isn't just about collecting numbers. We need to clean and pre-process the data, handling any missing values and normalizing features. Then we split this data into training, validation, and testing sets. Next, we dive into feature selection. Think weather conditions, time of day, and seasonality. We even perform feature engineering to create additional variables that can boost our model's performance. Now it's time to choose a deep learning model. Options like LSTM, CNN, or transformers are on the table. We design the architecture based on our data's unique characteristics. Training the model is where the magic happens. We use the training data set, optimize hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size, and employ techniques like early stopping, dropout, and regularization to prevent overfitting. Then comes model evaluation. We assess performance using metrics like MAE, RMSE, and R-squared, fine-tuning the model based on these results. After that, we test the final model on the unseen test dataset. The goal is to ensure our forecasts match actual data reliably. Finally, we deploy the model for real-time forecasting. It gets integrated with a data pipeline for continuous updates. But that's not the end. Continuous monitoring and regular updates keep the model sharp, adapting to changes like climate patterns. And there you have it, a simplified yet powerful methodology for renewable energy generation forecasting using deep learning. AI isn't just predicting the future, it's powering it. Please stay with Energy AI Solutions.